To introduce our Hilo Queens, we established 3 queenless hives with brood frames aged 9 days above an excluder. Corey Stevens has suggested this approach to increase queen acceptance. We also added feeders with syrup, as Bob Benny has found that fed bees are more likely to accept a new queen. The Hilo Queen is named for Hilo, Hawaii. Hilo is spelled H-I-L-O, but it is pronounced Hilo. The Queen Project was developed to produce a honeybee line with resistance to varroa mites. Through careful breeding and selection, the Hilo Queen Project is working towards developing a bee that can contribute to the health and sustainability of bee populations in Hawaii and beyond. In this video, we will discuss the progress made by the Hilo Queen Project and how it fits into our operation. Here you can see the Hilo Queen marked pink. You want to make sure you remove the cork only from the candy end of the cage. Prior to 2008, varroa mites did not exist in Hawaii. This offered scientists a unique opportunity to study the impact of varroa on honeybees. Commercial bees from the Big Island of Hawaii were tested and found to be susceptible to mites. This finding prompted scientists to import VSH semen to Hawaii in an effort to increase resistance in existing stocks of honeybees. In 2010, a breeding program was started near Hilo by the Hawaii Apiary Program. Danielle Downey led the program, which expanded in 2012 when Hawaii Island Honey Company became involved. In 2015, the Hilo Queen Breeding Program was formalized with the establishment of a bee laboratory in East Hawaii. In 2023, the program was relocated to West Hawaii, where it is now housed at Olivara's Honeybee Company. The selection process for Hilo Queens involves carefully choosing the strongest and healthiest queens to breed from, ensuring that the desirable traits are passed on to future generations. By selecting for resistance and productivity, the program aims to create a bee population that is better equipped to thrive in the face of challenges such as varroa mites. To develop the Hilo Queen line, 2 forms of instrumental insemination were used. First, small colonies were created with single drone inseminated queens. Then multi-drone inseminated queens were created with the best genetics from the small colonies. The production colonies from the multi-drone inseminated queens were then evaluated for productivity and mite resistance. The best performing queens from these production colonies were then used as breeders for the next generation of the Hilo population. Field trials have shown that 90% of Hilo colonies kept mite levels below a treatment threshold of 3% in late summer. It is important to note that the VSH behavior is only expressed by adult bees. Therefore, when requeening with a VSH queen, resistance will not be evident until about 6 weeks after the queen is introduced, when the colony's workers are from the new queen. In July of 2024, we began to bring production queens from the Hilo breeding program into our apiary at World of Honey. Our goal is to increase varroa resistance in our lines of bees by incorporating the Hilo Queen genetics into our existing stocks. We plan to do this through the use of instrumental insemination. The queens we received today were produced in an isolated mating yard in Northern California. Several Hilo colonies were established in the area to provide drones to mate with the Hilo queens. Moving forward, the Hilo Queen Breeding Program is working to establish more isolated mating yards to increase production of these queens. The goal is to produce high-quality, properly mated production queens at commercial quantities to supply U.S. beekeepers. The Hilo Queen bee offers numerous benefits and advantages, including improved genetics, disease resistance, and Varroa-sensitive hygiene. By including these high-quality queens in our breeding program, we can make a significant impact on the overall health of bee colonies in the United States. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And of course, to learn more about Hilo Queens, please visit worldwideweb.hilobees.com.